So what exactly is Axie Infinity and how can you earn money through Axie Infinity? That's what we're going to be talking about in this video. So hey there, my name's Sergio with Serge Tech. In this channel I do a lot of reviews, tutorials, and make a lot of crypto related videos. So subscribe if you haven't already and hit the bell so that you get notified every time I release a new video like this. And don't forget to hit that like button. That will let me know that you enjoy Axie Infinity related crypto content, and I'll make more videos like this. With that being said, let's jump right into the video. So Axie Infinity is a NFT based game inspired by the Pokemon gaming universe that allows you to actually earn money for playing the game. Axie Infinity runs on AXS tokens, which are Axie Infinity shards, and SLP tokens, which stand for Smooth Love Potions. And as we can see here, it's the most expensive NFT collection with more than 42 million in sales in June 2021. And another very important thing to mention before we move on is that Axie NFT was released in 2018. So it's been out for about 3 years now. So pretty crazy with all the Axie Infinity hype going on lately. Alright, so now let's go ahead and jump into CoinMarketCap. So CoinMarketCap is ranking number 32. It's moved up quite a bit, already at the 32 spot. Axie Infinity is at $65.68 today, which is August 11, time of recording this video. And as we can see here, the price has just gone up like crazy in the past year. Past 3 months. Let's check last 7 days. So it was at 40. It was in the 40s for quite a while, and it just recently, with the bullish momentum of Bitcoin, it jumped up to $76. Wow. Now it's back down to 65. So pretty cool. Let's go ahead and check now Smooth Love Potions. And Smooth Love Potions staying around 20 cents. So it had a pretty big jump in July, up to even 40 cents at one point. Now it's just been hovering around 20 cents lately. So jumping on over here to the Axie Marketplace, we can see that in the last 24 hours, as we can see here, last 24 hours, there's been a movement of transactions only in the Axie Marketplace of $34,442,000. Now this is just the volume of items being sold in just the Axie Marketplace, meaning Axies sold, land, items. So in just 24 hours, a volume of 34 million. That's a pretty high number for the number of a transaction in a single day for a game, of things being sold in the marketplace of that game. So very impressive numbers here. So AXS tokens are the native token for Axie Infinity, and you actually need 4 AXS tokens in order to breed an Axie. Smooth Love Potions is another very important token for the Axie Infinity game, and they're also used to breed Axies. However, it depends how many times your Axie has been bred in order to determine the amount of Smooth Love Potions that you will need in order to breed that Axie. Okay, so now that we have a good idea of what Axie Infinity is, now we're going to go ahead and jump into how you can actually earn money with Axie Infinity. So there's a couple different ways that you can earn money with Axie Infinity, and the first and most basic way to earn is by playing the game. So you can play Axie Infinity and earn money by completing quests and also by winning battles, either in player versus environment, meaning adventure mode, or player versus player in the arena. Alright, let's jump into the second way to earn money in Axie Infinity, and that is through breeding. Breeding has become very popular lately. There's a ton of people out there making tons of money breeding Axies. And how you make money breeding Axies is, so you start the game off by buying 3 Axies, and then what you do is you make sure you buy the right Axies, buy Axies that other people will be interested in, and there's other videos that will show you how to get the right Axies. What you essentially do is you breed 2 of those Axies to have a baby, which you can then take that baby, breed it with the 3rd Axie that you have, and then you can just continue growing your Axie portfolio, you can call it, and just continue breeding them and then selling them off before a certain breed level so that they don't devaluate too much, and then continue breeding the newer Axies that are born and just continuing that cycle. So you can start selling your Axies off that you no longer want to breed, and then you'll start making all of your money back little by little as time progresses and as you continue breeding more and more Axies. And you'd be surprised what these Axies go for here in the marketplace. As you can see, this one recently listed $452, $800, $280, $562, $484, and here is the total Axies sold in the last 24 hours. So 59,000 Axies have sold in the last 24 hours. So there is definitely a huge demand for Axies at the moment. All right, so now let's jump into the third way that you can make money through Axie Infinity, and that is through scholarships. So if you own Axies, you can offer scholarships to other players that maybe don't have enough money to buy their team of Axies to get started. So you can offer scholarships and have someone else play the game for you, play quests, adventure mode, and battle in the arena for you to earn smooth love potions for you. And that way you can pretty much make money automatically just by letting others use their time to play with your team of Axies. And vice versa, if you yourself don't have enough money to start your team of Axies by buying a few Axies to get started, you can be a scholar and apply to someone's scholarship that they're offering and play with their Axies without having to put any of your money up front and buying a team of Axies. You can use their Axies to play the game, and you will be paid a commission just for playing the game with other people's Axies. And that is how the scholarship program works, and how scholars play Axie Infinity pretty much for free. Number 4 is that you can make money simply through the marketplace. If you're good at selecting certain items in the Axie marketplace, like certain Axies, like rare Axies, you can turn around, you can buy them at good prices if you catch them at good prices, and turn around and sell them for more. As you can see, this one down here sold for, these are the ones that are just selling at the moment right now. This one sold for $419. Maybe you could turn around and sell that one for $550, for example. I've actually done it a few times already. I bought certain Axies that were actually pretty good, and I was able to just turn around and sell it in a few hours for a little bit more. You can repeat that a bunch of times and make money doing it. You can also do this with land. As you can see right here, lands, which are even more expensive than Axies, certain items, and you can buy and sell bundle packages as well, which would be lands and other items. So, very nice to take advantage of the Axie marketplace. There's certainly many ways to make money with Axie Infinity here in the marketplace. So now let's jump into the 5th way that you can make money through Axie Infinity, and that is by investing into AXS tokens or SLP tokens. So there's 2 ways you can make money by investing into these tokens. One way is trying to time the markets, buying them low, and then reselling them as the price goes up. In my opinion, in this bull run, we still have a few more months to go before the bull run has a big correction again. So now might be a good time to get into Axie Infinity and then sell it once the price goes up, either with AXS or SLP tokens. My suggestion would be the AXS tokens, which are the native governance token of the game and are the ones to usually go higher in price. And the other way you can make money by investing into AXS or SLP tokens is by being a liquidity pool provider. And this is pretty much the same thing as staking your tokens. So after you buy AXS tokens or SLP tokens, you can stake them in liquidity pools and just lock them up in those pools, and they will earn money for you by serving as liquidity for transactions in the pool. So if you are interested in investing into AXS token or SLP tokens and you're going to hodl, it might be a smart thing to do to stake your tokens in a liquidity pool and have them earn extra interest for you, while either way you're holding for the price of the token to continue going up in price. Alright everyone, so in this video I covered what Axie Infinity is and what are the ways that you can earn money with Axie Infinity. Hope you got some value out of this video. If you did, please smash that like button, as it really helps my channel out and I really do appreciate it. And comment down below and let me know if you're playing Axie Infinity and how much money you've made so far. I'm really interested in reading those comments. So that's all for this video. I'll catch you in the next one. And as always, peace.